सेंटर में फैकल्टी में बैठने वाले लोग
3 पता नहीं कौन बैठा है। 3 बच्चे
ये गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट है क्या?
पता नहीं, शायद मुझे लगा तभी बिठाए। बड़े कम बच्चे हर एक
Kindly switch off your mobile phones or keep on silent mode. Good morning, everyone. Ms. S. Aparna, Chairperson, Apex Council, will be joining with us shortly. Good morning, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 12th NIPER SAS Nagar convocation. NIPER is privileged to have Ms. S. Aparna, Chairperson, Apex Council, NIPERS, for this occasion. The chief guest for the event today is Honorable Union Minister, Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya ji. I would like to request the Director NIPER to deliver the welcome address.
Very warm morning to all. Honorable Union Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers and Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya ji, Madam S. Aparna, Secretary, Department of Pharmaceutical and Chairperson, APEC Council, NIPERS, faculty colleagues, staff members, directors of different NIPERS, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I convey my heartiest congratulations to all degree recipients today. You have reached this level and have become proud degree holders on your merit. This journey would also have given you the confidence to face new challenges with a logical and trained mind. The audience does not need a formal introduction to NIPER Mohali. This has been your home for the first few years. Nevertheless, it is my pleasant duty to welcome you all to today's convocation. I am also proud of this graduating batch as they have faced the unprecedented situation of the pandemic and have overcome it to successfully complete the academic requirements of their respective courses. The unstinted cooperation extended by faculty members and other staff members is also praiseworthy. This is day and night work of our faculty members and the staffs to make you graduate today. The Institute has 10 departments which offer 16 different courses in various disciplines of pharmaceutical sciences, technology, practice, and management. Since the beginning of its academic program in 1998, more than 4,000 students have graduated from the Institute. Currently, about 700 students are on roll. During the convocation today, 250 master students and 10 PhD candidates will be receiving their degrees. The academic and research activities of the Institute are making an impact. The Institute is among the top institutes within the country with respect to several research indicators such as average impact factor, H-index, and citation per faculty. The Institute is also continuously strengthening its interaction with the domestic pharmaceutical industry. Various products have been developed by the faculty of the Institute in the consultancy mode, which have been commercialized by the industry sponsor. Several technologies developed at the Institute have been transferred to the industry for further development and commercialization. The recently concluded NIPER Week, organized as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, has provided focused and practical guiding points in how to utilize academia-industry interaction for mutual benefits. Guided by the long-term vision of the Department of Pharmaceuticals, the Institute has initiated a master course on medical devices last year. The placement activities of the Institute also continued successfully during these trying times. I am happy to inform the audience that several graduating students have also been admitted to doctoral programs in many prestigious national and international universities. Once again, I congratulate all the graduate students and their family members who are present in the auditorium and those who have joined the convocation through the online mode. On this proud occasion, I welcome you all to today's convocation. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to request the Director NIPER to introduce the Chairperson Apex Council NIPERs and request the Chairperson to deliver the address.
It is my pleasant duty to introduce Madam S. Aparna, Secretary, Department of Pharmaceuticals and Chairperson Apex Council, NIPERS. Madam is an IAS officer of the 1998 batch. She has a master's degree in zoology, MPhil in energy and environment, and MBA in international finance. Madam Aparna has served at both central and state level in areas as diverse as finance, planning, urban, housing development, and textiles. She joined the Department of Pharmaceuticals last year after completion of her 3-year tenure as Executive Director, World Bank, where she represented the constituency of India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Sri Lanka. Under Madam's able guidance, NIPERs are developing as nuclei of industry-academia interaction. She has strongly promoted research cooperation between NIPERs to leverage the strength of each institute. She has been successful in bringing them on a single platform and to initiate meaningful dialogue. Madam, we are grateful to have you here with us today. Now I request you to give your address. Thank you, Madam.
Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Chemicals and Fertilizers, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia, Director Mohali, Dr. Panda, faculty members of NIPER Mohali, students, ladies and gentlemen. It's a matter of great satisfaction that NIPER Mohali is conducting its 12th convocation in which the 20th batch of students of NIPER are receiving their degrees. Today, more than 250 students are receiving doctoral degrees and their master's degrees from NIPER Mohali, including MS Pharma, MPharm, MTech, and MBA Pharm. It's a matter of pride that for each of the students present here, your efforts have given the desired outcome, and you are all entering the real competitive world. I congratulate each of you for making this journey from student to professional at one of our best institutions. You made sincere efforts in learning the fundamentals as well as the practical aspects of pharmaceutical sciences, and I'm confident that these lessons will enable you in securing financially stable jobs and intellectually awarding positions. Graduates of pharmaceutical sciences are quite different from that of many other fields. You learn both from the fundamental sciences and ideas for the service of society. This is a unique advantage of this field. Bridge the gap between science and service. Making safe and quality drugs available to fellow human beings is a very noble task. Necessary medicines are made available either through traditional methods or the modern methods by pharmacy experts. This, in fact, has led to higher longevity and better quality of life for mankind. It is indeed a rewarding profession. The science of pharmaceuticals has evolved from traditional medicine, which was in practice in India from ancient times, modern day topics like pharmacoinformatics, where IT is being integrated with the fundamentals of pharmaceutical sciences. The medical devices sector is also a growing field for treating ailments in a very sophisticated manner. The science of drug delivery, of drug disposition, drug discovery, and drug design all create complementary fields of expertise. I'm sure that at NIPER Mohali, all of you have absorbed also the international standards of pharmaceutical sciences over your last 2 years here. NIPER Mohali, being our oldest NIPER, has created a very excellent ecosystem for your skill development and also to take you from a local level to an international level of accomplishment. As you move into your respective careers, I'm sure that your contributions in pharmaceutical research and industry will have long-term impact on our society. Your efforts in the future, I am sure, will pave the way to achieve the aspirations of Swasth Bharat and lead Ayushman Bharat. Friends, the challenges in the field of pharmaceuticals are many. Every year, new diseases are emerging. The more challenges we solve, the more tasks remain. Today, it has become necessary to build a higher degree of drug security, for which we need to develop and execute more efficiently and more cost-effectively the rejuvenation in the manufacturing of APIs. Globally, there is a greater move towards biologics, ADCs, and monoclonal antibodies. We have to gear ourselves for this. There are environmental issues and antimicrobial resistance that have to be addressed sustainably. There is a huge potential in the field of natural products, Ayurveda, and phytopharmaceuticals that must be studied for further development. As global supply chains are evolving, there is a need to make Indian pharmaceutical products more competitive, not only in terms of cost and quality, but also, and in fact, more so in terms of their innovative features. The Department of Pharmaceuticals has recently issued the draft policy, Catalyze R&D and Innovation in Pharma Medtech sector. This policy features collaborative research and a greater degree of industry-academia linkage as an essential pillar, and the importance of the pharmaceutical expert in industry and society will be ever increasing. This is an opportunity as well as a responsibility. I'm sure that each one of you has gained a lot of confidence during the past 2 to 3 years that you have been at NIPER Mohali on how to tackle all these future potential and obligations. We'll be very happy to know that the Department of Pharmaceuticals in the Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers is also doing much groundwork to facilitate your education, training, and skill development. The department is toiling to provide the funds, the resources, and the visibility that NIPERs need to achieve their full potential in the academic and research domains. Hence, today is a very happy occasion for our department too. Witness all of you receiving the fruits of collective efforts in the final form during the convocation ceremony. On this occasion, let me also assure all of you that DOP, the Department of Pharmaceuticals, is making all efforts towards your future development and that of the sector. The government has extended unprecedented support of close to rupees 28,000 crore spread over the next 5 to 7 years for the pharmaceutical and medical devices industry through PLI schemes and support for setting up parks. This will add the employment potential and the value of trained manpower as yourself in this sector. I am sure that the in-depth lessons that you have learned from the excellent faculty and leadership that NIPER Mohali enjoys and the international standards that you have inculcated on the NIPER campus during the last 2 to 3 years will help you in shaping your future and further help in strengthening the role of India as pharmacy of the world. I wish each one of you that is receiving your degree today the very best for your future endeavors. Always remember your alma mater and please be in touch with NIPER in your future careers. I extend my felicitations to your parents, families, teachers and staff of NIPER Mohali as well as Director Mohali who have supported you in reaching this milestone. I express my gratitude to the Honorable Minister for his constant and continuous support and guidance for developing NIPERs as institutes of excellence. I hereby declare the 12th convocation may proceed.
Thank you, Madam. I request the Director to initiate the convocation proceedings and request Chairperson Apex Council to declare the convocation open.
convocation open.
I now request Director NIPER to introduce the chief guest.
It is my honor and privilege to introduce our chief guest today, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia ji, the Honorable Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers and Health and Family Welfare. Dr. Mandavia ji is well known for his intellectual analysis and thoughtful leadership. He has been focusing on the sustainable development of India. He has been working on health issues during this testing period. The success of India in controlling the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic can be attributed to his efforts. Under his dynamic stewardship, the Department of Pharmaceuticals has presented concrete steps for incentivizing the domestic pharmaceutical industry through various production-linked incentive schemes. Due to his long-term vision, the PLI scheme have not only been announced in the traditional areas of pharmaceutical sector, but also in emerging areas such as biopharmaceuticals, phytopharmaceuticals, complex generics, etc., which will meet the goal of innovate and make in India. In his opening remarks at the first Global Innovation Summit of the Pharma sector, our Honorable Prime Minister had encouraged the pharma sector to ideate India, innovate in India, discover in India, and make in India. This vision is being translated successfully on the ground by the evolution of tangible scheme under the dynamic leadership of Dr. Mandavia ji. Because of very urgent and important meeting, Dr. Mandavia ji could not join us. However, he has shared with us the convocation address. Sir, we are extremely grateful to have your convocation address. Now we will play the convocation address of our Honorable Minister.
प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, यह एक बहुत ही सुखद अवसर है कि आज नाइपर मोहाली से 260 छात्र पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट या पीएचडी की डिग्री प्राप्त कर रहे हैं। मैं आप सभी को और आपके परिवारजनों को बधाई देता हूँ। यह उन सभी शिक्षकों को बधाई और धन्यवाद देने का भी समय है जिन्होंने आपकी शुरुआती शिक्षा से लेकर उच्च शिक्षा तक की आपकी यात्रा में आपका मार्गदर्शन किया है। वैसे तो जीवन भर कुछ न कुछ सीखने का दौर चलता ही रहता है। शिक्षा भी एक सतत चलने वाली प्रक्रिया है, लेकिन इतना कहा जा सकता है कि आपकी एकेडमिक शिक्षा का एक चरण आज पूरा हो रहा है। अब आप प्रोफेशनल जीवन में प्रवेश करेंगे। यह अलग तरह की पाठशाला होगी, लेकिन मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि नाइपर जैसे प्रतिष्ठित संस्था में शिक्षित हमारे विद्यार्थी जीवन की पाठशाला में भी सफल साबित होंगे। आज भारत को विश्व की फार्मेसी कहा जाता है। भारत का फार्मा उद्योग हमारे लिए सेवा का माध्यम पहले और व्यापार बाद में है। हम दुनिया को आज दवाइयाँ और वैक्सीन उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं, लेकिन इसमें भी हमारा भाव वसुधैव कुटुंबकम का ही है। मेरी अपेक्षा है कि आज अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी कर रहे मेरे विद्यार्थी भी इसी सेवा भाव के साथ काम करेंगे। जनमानस को दवाइयाँ उपलब्ध कराना एक बहुत ही पुण्य का कार्य है। सभी मनुष्यों को अपने जीवन के किसी न किसी चरण में किसी न किसी समय दवाओं की आवश्यकता पड़ती है। फार्मेसी विशेषज्ञ के तौर पर आप दवाओं को विकसित करने और इनके उत्पादन की प्रक्रिया का हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हैं। इस क्षेत्र में काम करते वक्त हर समय आपके मन में यह भाव होना चाहिए कि हमें समाज के अंतिम व्यक्ति के जीवन को बेहतर बनाने के उद्देश्य के साथ काम करना है। दवा वितरण, दवा की खोज और दवा डिजाइन का विज्ञान, ये सभी महत्वपूर्ण है। मुझे यकीन है कि आपने नाइपर में अपनी शिक्षा के दौरान औषध विज्ञान के अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मानकों के अनुरूप काम किया ही होगा। औषध अनुसंधान में आपके योगदान का समाज पर दीर्घकालीन प्रभाव पड़ेगा। आपके प्रयासों से प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के स्वस्थ भारत की परिकल्पना को साकार करने में मदद मिलेगी। पिछले साल पूरी दुनिया के सामने कोविड-19 महामारी के रूप में बहुत बड़ी चुनौती आई। हमने दुनिया का सबसे तेज टीकाकरण अभियान चलाकर इस चुनौती से निपटने का काम किया है। ऐसी चुनौतियां जब भी आती है तो आप जैसे फार्मा विशेषज्ञों के कंधों पर खास जिम्मेवारी आ जाती है। समाज के लिए फार्मेसी विशेषज्ञ का महत्व लगातार बढ़ रहा है। यह एक अवसर भी है और जिम्मेवारी भी। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि नाइपर में शिक्षित हमारे विद्यार्थी किसी भी ऐसी चुनौतियों से निपटने में पूरी तरह से सक्षम है। मुझे आप सभी से यह भी अपेक्षा है कि आप लगातार अपने कार्यक्षेत्र के बारे में कुछ न कुछ सीखते रहेंगे। आपके क्षेत्र में क्या नया रिसर्च हो रहा है, उससे पढ़ते रहेंगे। अगर आप ऐसा करते रहेंगे तो आप एक बेहतर फार्मा विशेषज्ञ के तौर पर हमेशा बने ही रहेंगे। साथ ही साथ आप अपने देश और पूरी मानवता की बेहतर ढंग से सेवा कर पाएंगे। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री श्री मोदी जी ने आत्मनिर्भर भारत का लक्ष्य रखा है। देश के उत्कृष्ट संस्थान से आपने पढ़ाई पूरी की है। आप फार्मा विशेषज्ञ के साथ साथ इस देश के एक जिम्मेवार नागरिक भी है। आपसे मेरी अपेक्षा है कि आप अपने कार्यों से आत्मनिर्भर भारत के इस लक्ष्य को पूरा करने में अपने अपने स्तर पर योगदान देंगे। आप में से कुछ अग्रणी वैज्ञानिक बनेंगे, कुछ अग्रणी शिक्षक बनेंगे, कुछ अग्रणी उद्यमी बनेंगे, तो कुछ अग्रणी फार्मा पेशेवर के तौर पर काम करेंगे। लेकिन आपको यह याद रखना है कि आप चाहे किसी भी भूमिका में हो, आपको देश सेवा और जन सेवा की भावना के साथ हमेशा काम करते रहना है। प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, जीवन में हर कोई सफल होना चाहता है। आप भी ऐसा चाहते होंगे, लेकिन सफलता के साथ साथ जीवन में सार्थकता का लक्ष्य भी रखना चाहिए। सार्थकता के बिना सफलता अधूरी है। आपकी सफलता में यह सार्थकता कैसे आएगी? यह सार्थकता आएगी सेवा भाव से। मुझे अपने विद्यार्थियों पर पूरा विश्वास है कि आप अपने जीवन में सफल भी होंगे और सार्थक भी होंगे। एक बार फिर से मैं आप सभी को उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Sir, I present to you the following candidates who have been selected by the Institute for the award of gold medals in the recognition of their merit during the course of their studies at the Institute. Gold medal for standing first in Master's Program in Sciences in 2021 Mr. Bhorkade Saurav Sanjay. Gold medal for standing first in Master's Program in Sciences in 2021, Miss Anisha Singh. Gold medal for standing first in Master's Program in Business Administration in 2021, Miss Ashi Siddiqui.
I invite the director for the conferment of the degrees.
Let the candidates for the award of degrees be presented.
Sir, I present to you these persons who have successfully completed the doctoral program and have been found qualified for the award of the Institute degree, Doctor of Philosophy. I request that they be admitted to the said degree.
I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy of this institute and charge you to be worthy of the same.
Preeti, Durgesh Kumar Dwivedi, Deepika Kothuria, Ambati Godavari, Rajan piche. Yeah, again, the next batch will start.
Sir, I present to you these persons who have successfully completed the master's program, have been found qualified for the award of Institute degree Master of Science, FARM. I request that they be admitted to the said degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Chairperson Apex Council NIPERS, I admit you to the degree of Master of Science, FARM, of this institute and charge you to be worthy of the same.
Ahana Basak, अयान आचार्य, दीपा, हरगणे अंकिता खंडू कुमार, हिमानी जायसवाल, मोहम्मद अब्दुल वसीत एम, पोल शुभम भूपाल, प्रियंका, रमन जोशी, रिया, संजय CS, आकाश जे, दोषी सृष्टि महेश. Please give big hands, please, to the degree recipients. Mukera Shri Shalam. नायक सिद्धि संजय. शाइनी साहा. श्री आउशी अजय कुमार. समिता सरकार. दीपक कुमार. दीप्ति S दामोदर. कोटी जया कृष्णा. मूले मंदार महेंद्र. गौतम विजय वर्गी. जादव हर्षद सुनील. कोरडे हर्षदा अशोक, कर्नाटी प्रज्वला, नला चेरुवुला कृष्णावेणी. Please give clappings whosoever is. पटेल इमरान इस्माइल, अदावतु श्रीराम पवन नायक, अनुब्रतो पाल, वद्दी हर्षला मारुति, दिव्या सुंदर पाड़े, ओजस्वी भारद्वाज, राफिया जन, रमनदीप सिंह, सारांश वाणी, वासवानी राहुल आशिल, अर्णव रॉय, मुस्कान, नेहा गांधी, तन्मय बनर्जी, अमित, अरिजिता मन्ना, आशी, भोरकड़े सौरभ संजय, गभाले आकाश विष्णु, पाणिग्राही सांजलि सत्यावधी, पाथा अरविंद साई, पौंड संभागी सुनील, रमनानी अंकिता लक्ष्मण, एस विनय, समीक्षा जैन, शुभांशु रंजन तिवारी, सौमल्य चक्रवर्ती, अंबेका रेणुका संजय, चकोले हर्षदा अरुण, गदम लक्ष्मी प्रिया, गवांडे निशा पांडुरंग, घिया अनिशी नीलेश, हरेर अमोल सीताराम, जादव प्रमोद कुंडलिक, जतिन मालिक, from काटकर शुभम सुनील, रिमी बडोनिया, ऋषि कुमार मिश्रा, साक्षी तिवारी, शुभम चौधरी, शुक्ला नेहा यशवंत, सिद्धांत दुबे, तिवारी श्वेता सुनील, विशाल कश्यप, आयुषी शर्मा, आंबुलगे शीतल, एनिमेश नेगी, चर्जन प्रतीक गजानन, फूजन अमरपाल सिंह हरबंश सिंह, कामले प्रदन्य जयसिंह, निशानदार निकिता बलासो, प्रशांत रघुवंशी, सारिका धीमान, सौरभ कुमार, सिंह रवि, तलवारे शुभम कृष्णा, अभी तो नेक्स्ट नहीं करेंगे ना। सर प्लीज आ जाए।
Sir, I present to you these persons who have successfully completed the master's program and have been found qualified for the award of the Institute degree Master of Pharmacy. I request that they be admitted to the said degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the chairperson, Apex Council NIPERS, I admit you to the degree of Master of Pharmacy of this institute and charge you to be worthy of the same.
Ashish Verma. Iqbal Singh. Loveleen. Mamidi Bhavya. Sahil Sharma. Vasantpuram Sai Kumar. Anisha Singh. Agwane Apurva Tanaji. Deshmukh Mohammad Awais Zahir. Junia Akhtar. Patil Tanvi Sanjay. Pavan Kumar Pandey. Ruchi. Samriddhi Kamra.
Sir, I present to you these persons who have successfully completed the master's program and have been found qualified for the award of Institute degree Master of Technology Pharm. I request that they be admitted to the said degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the chairperson, Apex Council NIPERS, I admit you to the degree of Master of Technology Pharm of this institute and charge you to be worthy of the same.
Ajay Singh, Ankita Thakur, चौधरी शुभम भारत, कुलकर्णी चिन्मय जैन, नायक आकाश शिवाजी राव, राहुल, शुभेंद्र सिंह, सुमित सुनील नरांजे, तेजंद्री ठाकुर, चौधरी राहुल नारायण लाल, देशमुख सुचिता बालाजी, जी बिंदु माधुरी, गोरखले ओंकार दीपक, गुंदेचा कमलेश हीरालाल, इंद्रप्रीत कौर, सौरभ झा,
तीन बोलेंगे रजिस्ट्रार ये बोलेंगे फिर आपने बोलना है।
अभी हंसिएगा ना।
तीन बोल देंगे फिर आपने बोलना है।
Sir, I present to you these persons who have successfully completed the master's program and have been found qualified for the award of the Institute degree, Master of Business Administration form. I request that they be admitted to the said degree.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the chairperson, Apex Council, NIPERS, I admit you to the degree of Master of Business Administration form of this institute and charge you to be worthy of the same.
बानोथु रमेश, नेहा बेदी, आकांक्षा शुक्ला, केवर अमृता संजय, अनमोल सिंह, अर्चना, आशीष सिद्दकी, भालेराव सिद्धांत बाले साहेब, भानुशाली अथर्व महेश, चंदन शर्मा, दीपक, धोते वेदांत चंद्रकांत, गजेंद्र, जादव कल्याणी विकास, जतिन कश्यप, खतमोल गीता सुभाष, कृतिका सहगल, महाचितेवर करण राजेंद्र, नायक सोनाली बगाबन, नितिन कुमार खुशवाहा, पलेरला वामशी कृष्णा, पीयूष लेंबे, साद अंसारी, सेम्पती पॉल, शिवम, सिलोट सुमित प्रदीप, वैभव ए भलोतिया, वाघमरे सगभूषण श्यामराव,
डिग्री दे दो बेटा।
फोटो नहीं, फोटो नहीं है ये, मुझे कंफ्यूज कर दिया। आप तो उसने PhD और ना
फिर MS फॉर्म।
Name of the absentee students who have been awarded degree in this convocation will now be called program-wise.
This is the PhD absentia. पवन थापक, काले ज्ञानेश्वर प्रकाश राव, श्वेता भगत, गोहल विवेक जसवंत भाई, पलपाटी अनुषा रानी, इशिता दास. This degree awarded in absentia to the MS form. धनावत विजय कुमार, अभिनव सिंह, अदिति तिवारी, जादव अंगित्या दत्तार्य, कुंतला दे, महाजन भूषण संदीप, महावर नूतन नरेश, मनीष कुशवाहा, पल्लवी शाह, परदेशी विजय संजय सिंह, पाटिल श्रुति विजय, प्राजक्ता देवक्का दाते, पृथ्वीराज बुंदेल, रुशाली सोनी, सौम्य कुपूर, तान्या मीना, वंजू ओंकार राजेंद्र, वाल्मीकि राहुल ख्यालीराम, शील लाल हरू एजेली, गडरी नूतन बापू, हनुमान कारखेले, स्नेहल धर्माजी, किलारी श्री काव्य, शाहू अंकिता अंबिका प्रसाद, आंधले रेशमा अजीनाथ, अंसारी मोहम्मद फराज जुमेद मोहम्मद मुख्तार, संतोष कुमार प्रजापति, शेख अजहर शेख इशाक, अहीरे प्रमोद शांतिलाल, गायत्री खत्री, गोटी मुकुला कल्याणी, लाहल्या गुहा, प्रियंका बनोद कांजी, सुप्रिया, सुरजीत कुमार शाह, सुशांत कुमार जैना, वरेडी नागेंद्र रेड्डी, दिव्यंजन रंजन नायक, जसप्रीत सिंह, मदना कोलू राजाशेखर, मल्लारपू वामसी रामाकृष्णा, पेनुमाला पद्वी, बालाजी एन, चौहान अजय दिलीप, जोशी विक्रम चंद्रशेखर, किरण, पुष्पेंद्र कुमार कारपेंटर, सिद्धांत कुमार, तिपल्ले वैभव बंधु, वेनरी किकोन, भागवत फुला VS सोमी देवी लक्ष्मी, भारती ओम आदित्यनाथ, दिव्यानी सोनी, डोरले अर्चना मुकान, गचे प्रगति प्रकाश, हरिकृष्ण S, ज्योति मंडल, ऋतिका गुप्ता, संदीप कुमार संतोषी, शेख मोहम्मद सरफराज मोहम्मद शफीक, शीर्षाट श्रद्धा बालकृष्ण, सुरजीत सिंह सांगरा, स्वर्णलता S, तमन्निडी योगिता, वंगनूर नव्या दुर्गा, वराड़े अक्षा कैलाश, कोयना हलदार, मोहम्मद शहीर AP, प्रज्ञा मिश्रा, शेणवी कुर्जकर गायत्री विनय, वैष्णवी. These are the degrees awarded to M Farm in absentia. Katrawat Pooja, Mohammad Mustafa KK, Sanjo Simon, दिव्या कुमारी, करम सेठी धोरा बाबू, मुदावथु वैष्णवी बाई, प्रीति रौतेला, रिजवान अमीर केआर, शुभम कांडपाल, तुषार अग्रवाल, आकाश श्रीवास्तव, अरोटे सागर शांताराम, कृतिका अग्रवाल, मिथुन सिंगरोली, न्याला कोंडा शिवानी रेड्डी, सहारे अंकित दिलीप, तृप्ति भट्ट, व्युत्चला प्रियंका, चिन्यापी टी, जमीर सैयद, सूरज सोलंकी. This is the degree of MBA form awarded in absentia. Anushari Mukherjee, Ashu Panjwani, Bhavesh Jain, Chahat Deep Singh, Farooq Azam, Kriti, L. Ashish Vinay Kumar, Rahul Swami, Raju Ghimire, Sagar Jain, Shashank Shivhare, Shinde वैभव चंद्राव, सुप्रिया साहू, श्वेता ठाकुर, तृप्ति शर्मा, विशाल एंड विशाल. थैंक यू.
Ms. Prakriti Agarwal will get the convocation scroll register signed by the director on behalf of Chairperson, Apex Council NIPERS. I request all the degree recipients to stand up and take the pledge, pehle Rashtra Bhasha mein and then in English.
Okay, we are starting the pledge now. मैं राष्ट्रीय औषधीय शिक्षा एवं अनुसंधान संस्था की उपाधि प्राप्त करने वाला छात्र यह प्रतिज्ञा लेता हूँ कि मैं समस्त परिस्थितियों में अपने व्यवसाय की गरिमा तथा अपने संस्थान की प्रतिष्ठा को बनाए रखूंगा और मैं अपने समस्त ज्ञान का प्रयोग जनहित के लिए करूंगा. Now in English. I, the recipient of degree of the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, hereby pledge that in all circumstances I shall uphold the dignity of my profession, the honor of my alma mater, and I shall utilize my knowledge in the service of mankind.
I now request the director to conclude the convocation proceedings and declare the convocation closed.
I declare the convocation closed.
Now I request the audience to stand up for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
I thank you all for attending the convocation. All the students are requested to remain standing till the procession leaves the auditorium. All are invited for lunch outside. Thank you.